Hi everyone, we are from Group 3. Today we'll be presenting about a system that has been used by Aeon, which is Customer and Supplier Management System. Before that, let me introduce our team member.
Hi everyone. So people say that when we don't know someone, then we don't love them, right? So before that, I will introduce myself and also my team members. All right, my name is Muhammad Lukman bin Anwar, and we also got Alia Husna binti Azman, Diana Hafiza binti Abdul Rahman, and Nurul Akasha binti Samsu Khairi. Now let's move on to the presentation.
For introduction, Aeon is one of the largest retail companies in Malaysia. To manage its daily operation efficiently, Aeon uses customer and supplier management system. This system helps manage customer information, supplier records, inventory, and transactions. It also improves communications between customers, suppliers, and management while supporting loyalty programs and business decision making. Next, the main purpose of the system is to improve customer service and strengthen collaboration with suppliers. It's help Aeon manage inventory more efficiently, process transaction accurately, and monitor customer purchasing behavior. The real-time reporting features also supports a faster and better business decision. Furthermore, our group project system is similar to Aeon's real-life system because both focus on managing customer and supplier information. Both systems automate transactions, improve communication, reduce manual errors, and support decision-making through organized data management. Next, Aeon's system works by integrating customer and supplier activity into centralized system. It processes transactions, tracks inventories, and shares data in real time. This allows Aeons to respond quickly to customer demands, manage supply information efficiently, and both support daily operations and long-term business planning. In conclusion, Aeon's customer and supply system help improve operational efficiency, customer satisfaction, and supplier relationships. It is an important system that supports Aeon's growth and competitiveness in retail industry.
Hi everyone, I am presenting section 2 focusing on the data analysis of the system. Aeon operates a customer and supplier management system that functions as integrated enterprise architecture linking frontline experience to backend logistics. Looking at the workflow, data flow across the three main tiers. For input, Aeon captures proper data through the Aeon wallet and mobile applications. In our car rental booking system, this matches how a renter enters their profile and booking details. Aeon vendor input detailed invoice while warehouse staff utilize barcode and RFID scanner. This scaled up what we did in our project, where car owners and fleet vendor input vehicle availability calendars and maintenance record. For processing, Aeon instantly cross-reference transactional logs with warehouse inventory. This mirrors how our rental system verifies vehicle timelines and update booking status to prevent scheduling conflict. According to Muhammad 2025, to protect this data, the processing layer applies data encryption to comply with Malaysia Personal Data Protection 2010. Finally, for outputs, Aeon delivers sales analysis to manager, e-receipts to customer, and process the order to vendor. This directly relates to our project output of a finalized vehicle booking system, payment invoice, and admin fleet tracking logs. Let's move on to the technology and system user. To power its nationwide footprint, Aeon integrates advanced software like Blue Yonder category management alongside frontline platforms like the myaeon.com.my digital store. The core structural link between our system is the relation database management system, while our group project uses a lightweight relation structure to connect tables like renters, vehicle, booking. Aeon demonstrates how this identical database concept scale up to store millions of corporate rows. Furthermore, B2B document sharing is kept entirely paperless using secure electronic data interchange portal running over cloud, WN tunnels. The system separates its user into clear tiers to manage data access. Internal users include cashier and operation manager, which map directly to our car rental system administrator who log into the back-end console to manage fleet and track revenue. External users represent Aeon retail shopper and vendor. This directly mirrors how renters browse and pay for vehicle on our platform and how independent car owners track car utilization and payout status. Lastly, Aeon Enterprise System perfectly illustrates how information platforms support the six strategic business objectives. First, operational excellence is achieved by automating transactions to minimize manual data entry mistakes. This relates to our project, which model how automated tracking completely eliminates manual paperwork and logs double booking errors. Second, customer and supplier intimacy. Replace guessing with shared data transparency, pushing tailored promotion through the Aeon Wallet app and tracking supplier pipelines via the EDI portal. We achieve this in our project by giving writer explicit booking records and giving vehicle suppliers transparent tracking of their car earnings. Third, new product and service are shown through the myaeon.com.my platform, which created a cross-channel cashless service model as noted by Wong 2021. Similarly, our project transformed traditional vehicle hiring into an on-demand digital system. Fourth, improve decision-making occurs because executives leverage live data reporting to adjust store assortment on the fly, which is the live application of the core database query logic we practice in our coursework. Fifth, Aeon secures a competitive advantage by maintaining lower processing costs and faster transaction queues than smaller local retailers who lack the infrastructure. Our project models this exact concept, proving that a digital booking platform processes clients significantly faster and with fewer errors. Finally, for survival, keeping data secure under the PDPA 2010 is critical. Our project model this commercial reality. A secure functional information system is no longer an optional luxury. It is a baseline requirement to stay competitive and survive. Thank you.
Next, identifications of issues. Despite its advantages, Aeon system has several weaknesses. The system depends heavily on accurate and updated data, as errors or delays can affect inventory management, customer service, and business decision. Interactions between different departments and business partners can also be complex. In addition, maintaining the system requires regular software updates, employees' trainings, and significant financial investment. Technical failures or network disruptions may interrupt daily operations, while cybersecurity threats remain a major concern due to a large amount of customer and supplier data stored in the system. Other than that, ethical concerns mainly involve customer privacy and data protection. Aeon collects and stores a large amount of personal information, making data security a critical responsibility. If the system is not properly protected, customer information could be accessed by unauthorized individuals, lacked of or misused. In addition, a lack of transparency regarding how data is collected and used may reduce customer trust. Therefore, Aeon must implement strong cybersecurity measures, ethical data practice, and comply with relevant privacy regulations to maintain public confidence. Social impacts on Malaysian society. Aeon's digital ecosystem has significantly influenced Malaysian society. Positively, it supports the country's digital transformation by promoting online shopping, cashless payments, digital memberships, and mobile-based service. Customers enjoy greater convenience, faster transactions, and easier access to products. The use of digital records and e-receipts also help reduce paper consumption. However, there are also challenges. Small retailers and local suppliers may struggle to compete. Small retailers and local suppliers may struggle to compete with large retail chains. Furthermore, increased reliance on digital shopping may reduce personal interactions between customer and staff. A digital divide may also exist, particularly among elderly individuals and people living in rural areas who have limited digital literacy or internet access. Last but not least, quality of life issues. The system improves quality of life by making shopping faster and more convenient and also more personalized. Customers can enjoy tailored promotions, loyalty rewards, and quicker access to products and services. Better data management also help resolve issues more efficiently and improve customer satisfaction. However, greater reliance on technology may create challenges. Employees and suppliers may experience pressure to adapt to new systems and digital requirements. In addition, technical failures, system outages, or cybersecurity incidents can negatively affect both customer and staff, highlighting the importance of maintaining a reliable and secure system.
Now, I will continue with the identification of solution. These solutions are divided into three areas, namely technical improvement, management improvement, and ethical and data protection improvement. For the first one is technical improvement. There are three solutions that can help enhance Aeon information system. First, Aeon should develop an integrated system that connects all department and business partners. By having a more integrated system, information can be shared more efficiently and in real time. This helps improve data consistency and reliability while reducing errors in customer service and decision making. As a result, Aeon can improve its overall performance and strengthen its relationship with business partners. Besides that, Aeon should enhance its cybersecurity through the implementation of multi-factor authentication, encryption, and regular security audits. Since the company manages a large amount of sensitive customer data, strong cybersecurity measures are essential to protect the system from cyber threats and unauthorized access. This can help reduce the risk of data breach and ensure that customer information remains secure. Finally, Aeon can improve the reliability of its system by using cloud backup solution. Cloud backups allow important data to be stored securely and accessed from different devices wherever need. In the event of system failure or data loss, the company can recover its information more quickly and continue its operation with minimal disruption. Moving on to management improvement. For management improvement, there are three solutions that Aeon can implement to ensure the effective use and continuous improvement for its information system. First, Aeon should continue providing training programs for its employees. Regular training can help employees stay updated on system upgrades, electronic business transactions, and cyber security practice. As technology continues to evolve, employees need to develop the necessary skills and knowledge to use the system effectively. This can reduce errors, improve work performance, and ensure that business operation runs smoothly. In addition, Aeon should establish Standard Operations Procedure or SOP for system usage. Clear SOPs provide employees with proper guidelines on how to perform tasks correctly and consistently. This helps reduce mistakes, improve efficiency, and ensure that all employees follow the same procedure when using the system. Moving on to the final point, Aeon should actively collect feedback from employees, customers, and suppliers regarding the performance of the system. Feedback is important because it helps identify weaknesses and errors that require improvement. By understanding the concern and suggestion of different stakeholders, management can make better decisions and continuously enhance the effectiveness of the system. For ethical and data protection improvement, there are three solutions that Aeon can implement to strengthen customer trust and ensure responsible data management. First, Aeon should ensure compliance with the Personal Data Protection Act or PDPA 2010. All personal data should be collected, used, and managed responsibly while being protected from unauthorized access, misuse, or loss. In addition, the company should avoid collecting unnecessary personal information and ensure that data is only used for legitimate business purpose. This can help reduce the risk of data misuse and maintain positive relationship with customer. Next, Aeon should increase transparency in the way customer data is collected, stored, and used. Customers today are becoming more concerned about how their personal information is handled. By clearly explaining its data management policies and informing customers about how their data may be shared, Aeon can build greater trust and confidence among its customers. This transparency can also contribute to stronger customer loyalty. Moving on to the final point, Aeon should implement proper access control and conduct regular audits of its data management practice. Access to sensitive information should only be granted to authorized employees based on their job responsibilities. Regular audits can help identify weaknesses, ensure compliance with legal and ethical requirements, and improve the overall effectiveness of data protection measures. In conclusion, this solution can help Aeon improve system performance, strengthen security, enhance operational efficiency, and ensure better protection of customer data. By implementing this improvement, Aeon can provide more reliable and secure service while maintaining customer trust and satisfaction.
Next, I will be presenting the key lessons we learned about real-world information systems, comparing our project systems with Aeon's actual system, and explaining how Aeon's system helps them gain a competitive advantage. For part 1, key lessons about real-world information systems. From studying Aeon's system, our group realized that accurate and timely data is the backbone of retail operations. Real-world systems bring together many processes such as supplier management, customer service, and inventory tracking into one connected ecosystem. We also learned that integration is not always easy. Connecting different departments and partners requires time, effort, and resources. On top of that, businesses must follow ethical and legal responsibilities. For example, Aeon complies with Malaysia's Personal Data Protection Act to protect customer privacy, and they invest in cybersecurity to keep the data safe. Finally, we saw that these systems do not just help businesses, but they also change society. Aeon encourages digital shopping, cashless payments, and eco-friendly practices like reducing paper use. This shows how information systems can improve both businesses' performance and everyday life. Next is comparison between project system and Aeon's real system. Our project system and Aeon system share the same goal. Both manage supplier and customer data to reduce mistakes, improve communication, and make transactions smoother. But Aeon's system is much more advanced, while our project is mainly a learning tool. Aeon has built a complete platform that includes sustainability, loyalty programs, and digital platforms like e-commerce websites and mobile apps. These features connect physical stores with online shopping, giving customers more convenience and personalized experiences. The biggest difference is scale. Our project system handles small and simple data, while Aeon system manages huge amounts of information across many outlets and regions. Aeon also uses advanced analytics to predict demand, manage inventory, and personalize customer engagement. In short, our project shows the basic principles of data-driven management, while Aeon demonstrates how those principles work in a real-world system. Next, how Aeon system helps gain competitive advantage. Aeon system gives them a clear edge over competitors. It improves efficiency by using centralized records and real-time data sharing, which reduces delays and errors. It also saves costs by cutting down on manual work and reducing paper use with e-receipts. On the customer side, Aeon system makes shopping easier and more enjoyable. Customers benefit from faster service, personalized rewards, and flexible options like online shopping. At the same time, Aeon strengthens its brand image by promoting eco-friendly practices such as reducing paper waste. By embracing digital information systems, Aeon has positioned itself as a leader in Malaysia's retail industry. Their system not only improves businesses' operations, but also supports the country's move toward a digital economy. In conclusion, our project helped us understand the basics of data-driven management, while Aeon system showed us how those ideas can be expanded into a powerful, real-world solution. Aeon proves that information systems are not just about technology, They are about efficiency, sustainability, customer satisfaction, and competitive advantage. That's all from our group. Thank you.